Let's make another Halloween bow. So I'm using die number 107-5. This is the luxury die from Treto.com. It is 5 inches. You see me here cutting all my materials. I have everything cut out. I'm using this clay. I got this clay from Carvajal Sisters. So now that I'm running everything through my Big Shot Plus, since it's a bigger die, you need the Big Shot Plus for this. I'm also going to cut out a little bat wing. So I'm going to put it onto the side of my bow. So here I am using the bat wing also from Treto.com. And this one fits a regular Big Shot. You don't need a Big Shot Plus for the bat wing. So now we have all our pieces cut out. Let's start assembling our bow. And it's simple. You bring the little wing part towards the middle and then bring the middle piece. Same with the other side. I'm going to put a line of glue, put my wings down, and then put a tip of glue right there and bring that down towards the center. And here's my middle piece. I'm using BSI glue and hot glue. Put those on top of one another. And then we bring it over, put some glue towards the center, glue towards the center, and same with the second piece. So you see me do that right there. And I use some BSI glue here because it's a smooth, shiny material, so you need some BSI glue. So depending on which material you use, you figure out what kind of glue to use. So now we have that piece done. We're adding our little glitter loop on top, like that. This is how it's looking so far. Now let's do our tails. Put those two together. And now we're adding our top piece to our tails, just like that. And like you saw in my previous video, I already have the piece from my clay. I already folded it over. So I'm adding this piece just to have height to my bow. So when I add my clay on top, it'll look like it's popping out. Here, cut off my excess is where I add my clip. Now let's add our clay. So using the Sarbon accelerator and the stick fast, I'm going to spray the back of my clay and then put it on top. So here I'm using the bat wing die, and I get an accordion pinch and like a little strip to go all over it like that. Glue that down and add it to the corner of my bow. I'm going to stick it right there. There we go. So just to get a little more pizzazz to my bow. So here's the final look. And of course, you know, I use the green glitter, and the green glitter glows in the dark. So this is how it looks like in the dark. So I use the luxury bow die from Treto.com.